Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad using ice cream. First, select a vibrant assortment of fresh, ripe fruits. Think about combining different colors and textures, like sweet berries, juicy melon, and tangy kiwi. Wash all your chosen fruits thoroughly, then peel and cut them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This preparation ensures every spoonful is a delightful blend of flavors and easy to enjoy. Now, let's talk about the ice cream. A classic vanilla bean ice cream works wonderfully, or you could opt for a refreshing fruit sorbet to enhance the fruit flavors. If your fruits aren't sweet enough, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup can add a touch of sweetness. For an extra zing, a small squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice can really brighten up the entire salad, balancing the sweetness beautifully. It's time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, gently combine all your prepared fruit pieces. You want to mix them carefully to avoid bruising. The key is to add the ice cream right before you plan to serve, ensuring it stays firm and creamy. For a final touch, a few fresh mint leaves or a light sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes can add both visual appeal and an extra layer of flavor. Serve your delicious fruit salad immediately in chilled bowls to maintain the ice cream's perfect consistency. This dessert is truly a refreshing and delightful treat, perfect for a warm afternoon or as a light finish to any meal. It's a simple yet elegant way to enjoy the natural sweetness of fruits combined with creamy ice cream. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.